So Rule is a e-commerce flash sales site. We have about 18 million members. We've been in business for 9 years. So what we are in the business of is selling clothes and fashion accessories to our customer base. So we had clickstream data and email data that was, in a traditional big data sense, inaccessible to our data warehouse. We stood up a Hadoop cluster for capturing the big data, and we threw the big data into that platform. But what we ended up with was a data lake and a data warehouse. We could either look at their clickstream and email data in one platform, or their traditional logins and order data in another platform, but we didn't have a 360 view of our customers. And so our marketing department now has the unique ability to really have a 360 view of our customers. They're going to be able to do better targeted marketing to members and promotions that are targeted to members based on their personalized preferences that are not explicitly stated but inferred based on their activity. On our merchandising and planning side, what they're going to be able to see now is really everything about a product. Why did the product sell well or not sell well? They can now see with the additional context of the site activity. So we're going to be able to make better purchasing decisions and not be left with a bunch of residual inventory that we'd have to sell at markdown prices. All facets of the business are now in one place in Snowflake. So the variety is mostly structured data, and then in addition, we're bringing in external data feeds, which is giving us marketing. We're getting demographic data, we're getting census data, we're getting geolocation data. So we're bringing in external data sources and our traditional data sources all now into one place, and all doing so on a real-time basis. What is unique about Snowflake is several things. One is the complete absence of administrative and infrastructure management costs. So not having to deal with partition keys or cluster keys, etc. Not having to stop the database to resize it, etc. The traditional development activities and processes have become so simple. Just the ecosystem of the Snowflake platform has really allowed us to streamline our development processes. The other factor that really resonated with all of us is the separation of compute from storage. It is just fundamentally so unique in terms of all other platforms, and Hadoop was very much a put the computing down to where the data is located. So it's just revolutionary.